Can we make this fast?
What is your name?
Chef Poppy Pants.
Did you just say poopy pants?
No, Poppy, like the flower. Chef Poppy Pants. I have restaurants in New York called Turd.
Like a turd.
Tiard. Wait. I have restaurant Toronto. Biddle.
Sorry, say that again?
Biddle, biddle, biddle. Have famous pots and pans coming out. A line, a cookware line, a bakeware line. It is called Triple P Double O.
That's pee poo. Tell us what you think about lettuce bake.
As a trained pastry chef, this show is very, very serious. These recipes are only the very best bakers can do, because it's very serious, very intense, precise methodology. Not everyone can do this. It is sheer focus. The show, Let Us Bake. Such quality.
Thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Let Us Bake for a serious show for serious pastry chefs. Only watch if you're serious about your craft. Please come and visit my restaurants, Third in New York, Piddle in Toronto, and buy my bakeware line.